So you've heard about Prosper, Texas, home of many Dallas Cowboys, one of the best school districts in Texas, and also offering one of the most modern high school campuses and a $48 million high school football stadium for your kids. But man, every time you turn around, the houses here are $800,000 plus or between the $1 million to $2 million range. Well, today we're taking a look at a brand new construction home in Prosper, Texas for less than $660,000. Yes, you heard me correctly, less than $660,000 in Prosper, Texas. Believe it or not. Let's go ahead and dive into the neighborhood before we take a tour of this new home. When people talk about Prosper, they often reference Winsong Ranch, home of the 5-acre crystal clear lagoon, the $48 million football stadium for the high school, not pros, not college, yes, high school. And many folks even talk about how Dak Prescott purchased a home here. Prosper is considered one of the most prominent communities in North Texas, as it's just north of Frisco and still has plenty of growing to do now that Frisco is basically busting at the seams. The home we're going to look at today is going to be in a new community called the Creeks of Legacy. So far in 2023, there have been 27 homes sold in the Creeks of Legacy, from a low of $470,000 to a high of $735,000, and a low square footage of 1,864 square feet to a high of 3,733 square feet. I'm not being dramatic or overboard when I say this, but I truly can't believe that this area, specifically Prosper and the newer communities, are still receiving multiple offers, yes, even at 7% plus interest rate. As you can imagine, the demand here has been very high in Prosper, as many families have relocated here due to the award-winning schools, the unique Friday night lights experience, the likelihood of strong appreciation for these homes, and the incredible amenities that many of these communities have to offer. Creeks at Legacy offers basketball courts, a resort-style pool, a fitness center, a clubhouse, playgrounds, tennis courts, and a dog park. This specific community is going to offer you convenient access to the Dallas North Tollway and Highway 380 for your commutes to Plano or Frisco. And it's also located close to retail centers including Parkway Town Crossing and the shops at Legacy. It's near popular recreation destinations like Old Celina Park and close to major employers like Frito-Lay, Boeing, Toyota, FedEx, and Liberty Mutual. Lastly, this is one of the closest communities to Prosper High School and the nationally recognized Prosper football stadium. The home we're touring today just finished construction and is a beautiful 2-story home that offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, nearly 3,000 square feet, a corner lot. It's zoned for the highly reputable Prosper Independent School District, and the asking price is $655,920. This home is built by KB Homes, and this builder is known for building very energy efficient homes, which, as you can imagine, that comes in handy to keep your utilities down, especially during the Texas heat over the summer. And as I was going through the neighborhood filming for this video, I saw many kids riding on their bikes, playing at the playground, and families walking their dogs, so it does have a nice outdoor vibe over here. Let's go and have a look at the home, and then afterwards we're going to have a quick breakdown of the monthly payment in case you, a family member, or a friend are interested in this community or this specific model. I'll see you guys after the house tour. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this house tour. If you're watching this video and you're like, hey, what's the monthly payment on this home? Let's take a quick minute and give some estimates. Full disclosure, I am a realtor, not a lender. This is just using some basic math with the current interest rates with an online calculator. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $33,300 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 8%. That brings our principal and interest payment to $47.42 per month. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $520 a month. This could go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we aren't putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $461 per month as well. HOA fees here are $65 a month. There is no tax history since this is a brand new construction home. It was just taxed at the lot value, but the other homes that appraised at similar values last year had a tax payment of approximately $900 per month. We're looking at a monthly payment estimate of $66.88 per month. If you put 20% down, this brings your principal and interest down to $39.93 and knocks off your mortgage insurance, so that makes your monthly payment about $54.78 per month. Of course, you can always talk to your preferred lender and talk about rate buy downs and seeing how you can adjust the terms of your monthly payment to make it more affordable. So guys, this is going to close us out on our latest house tour in Prosper, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor and go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the property, would like a tour of the neighborhood or any other homes in Prosper, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is included in the top comment below. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.